So, okay, first of all, modulus, right? Modulus function is a piecewise function. So essentially what I'm saying is, if you do this, right, you can just split it into one is negative x and the other one is x for x less than 0 or for x bigger equals 0. But we could also do, because the problem here is the modulus, you have two modulus here. One is x and one is mod x. Okay? So I think the thing is you just quickly put in the calculator. Of course, you still don't use calculator, but you use it to assess it. You use it to assess it. Okay, now the question now is, right, if my y is equals to 10 minus x and then 10 minus mod x, right? There's two possible equation, right? What are the two possible equation I have? These can be plus minus, understand? So you can have say if you do this, right, this one can be either plus minus x. So you do not know which is which. But actually you can deduce from this piecewise here. So this is 10 minus x, or 10 the plus 1, or the minus 1. This is the first thing you must be able to tell. Okay, so either you take the plus 1 or the minus 1. But actually very quick you can tell. So you just key in calculator. I think shouldn't be an issue here. So this first one will be 10 minus x, right? Then you 10 minus mod x. I think the first thing, mod, remember, is under math. So you mod is under math. Then you go to num, absolute. Then you just put x here. Then close bracket. Okay, this is the first one. Shouldn't be an issue here because once you graph it, right, zoom standard, you get, oh shucks, how come this graph looks so weird? Okay, 10, yeah, because it's 100, right? You see this 100. So window, I can see that this is like when x is 0 is y is 100. So it goes very, very high up. Then I'm gonna go window, I'm gonna just adjust. They purposely so that you are not able to see what's going on. Okay, so this is 5, 15. Just remember to adjust. So I just put 110, then graph it. You get the graph here. Okay, this is the graph. The next part is then we want 11 So 11. So your solution you can see, but of course because you need to find the exact curve. Okay. So now you have two potential candidate. Equation 1, equation 2. So shouldn't take long for you to tell which is which, right? I can tell straight up that this is the positive one because it is smiley face. You see that? Then after that, this straight up is the negative one because this is a sad face. So this one we expand it is a negative x squared. So it's this part here. Make sense? So if you don't know, then you can also use a graphing calculator to see lah. So you can 10 minus x, then you just 10 minus x as well. Okay, this black color one, I can't even see what's the black color one. Shucks. Maybe I just put this as a dotted line. Inside I put as a green one. Okay, so you look at this one. See this one, the overlap one. This one belongs to the positive one, the one that I key in. So the green color. So if I were to change this to a negative, it will overlap at the negative side. Okay, so this part here, there you see. So that's that. So you know that for x less than 0, 10 minus x, x minus mod 11, less than 0, bigger than 0, becomes 10 minus x, 10 minus x, plus x, bigger than 11. This one here, when we solve this, should be okay, right? This one. So I think this is, we just do this is 100 minus x squared, 11. So 100 minus 11. Maybe I just bring it over to the other side. Okay, so this case will be 0. So you just This is a quadratic inequality. Remember, root 89 minus root 89. So then you have a plus minus plus. Now take note, because you're solving it under x less than 0. Okay, so this is super important. You should cut it down at 0 here. So you only look at this region here. You understand what I'm saying? So you don't, because yeah. So this case here, I'm just gonna put a hard stop here, because I'm not interested in the positive side. So I just put a 0 here lah. Okay, if you want to do this, also can. So this will be the negative region. So I need this part here to this part here. So hence, yep, you go. For x at least 0, we know that 10 minus x, 10 minus mod x, 11 is 10 minus x, and then 10 negative x lah. We are taking the negative side for this one positive. So I think this is okay also. So this will be 100 minus 2x plus x square, 11. So x square minus 2x, 100 minus 11, 89. So this case here, solve minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. This case will be careless. Minus 20, minus 20, minus 20, minus 20. B square minus 4ac. AC 2a. Okay, great. 20 plus minus square root 44. So this case here, you solve this inequality. This is 10 minus root 11. This is positive, right? 10 minus root 11. So you're looking at 0 here. 10 plus root 11. Plus minus plus. Okay, this is a smiley face here. So you want it to be positive with here to here. Here to here. But because we're looking at x at least 0, so you put a stop, hard stop here. So here to here, you're looking at this. So hence 0 between not equals to okay. Combine both this or this one. So you combine this result and this result together. So this case will be combine them. Okay, that's it.